Hi everyone, welcome back to science. Today we are working on sound energy and we're doing a sort with it. So it says color the pictures, cut out the pictures at the bottom, sort them into correct columns. So we have sound energy, not sound energy. So we have a guitar, party hat, car, crayons, whistle, cell phone, shoes, sandcastle, drums, and a lollipop. So I'm going to pause the video. You can pause yours too, and I'd love for you to fill this out and then unpause it to see how you did. Okay? Okay, so hopefully you were able to do this activity and pause the video before I do it. If not, that's okay, you can do it with me. Okay, so lollipops, sound energy or not sound energy? I would say not, they don't really make noise, right? A whistle, I would definitely say a whistle is sound energy because you blow into it and it makes noise, right? Vibrations. Drums, yep, sound energy. A sandcastle, I would say not sound energy, right? Crayons, not sound energy. A guitar, I would say sound energy because you can strum it, that means play it, and it makes noise, it makes sound. Shoes, I'd say not sound energy. The party hat, not sound energy, right? They don't make any noise at all. Then a car does make noise. It has a horn, so I'd say yes. And then a cell phone, I would say yes as well. So this is what I came up with. Hopefully you were able to find the same things. Okay, bye everyone.